hello part of the internet. I am Sarah if it is your first time here, and today I am attempting to get ready for our trip we have coming up. I'm planning to do a more formal pack with me video, but today I'm not packing yet. I'm just trying to get everything together. So obviously I'm in the car already, ready to head out to the store. I'm going to go to Ulta to get some things, and then we're going to go to the mall area and get a couple other stuff. And then I've been requested to bring back Starbucks. Fingers crossed they have everything and we can just come home. Let's go ahead and head to Ulta first. A day and a half in the past hour. It's been a lot, so I didn't get to vlog as many clips as I wanted. Ulta didn't go to plan. They didn't accept my gift card I had, and then they didn't really apply the coupon. I did get stuff, so I'm going to show you, but I'm just irritated. I don't think I'm going to shop at Ulta anymore. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did end up getting because I figured I might as well show you. First, I got a new hairbrush. This is just the Tangle Teaser. I think, yeah, Tangle Teaser, but it's the one with the handle. I have the one without the handle, so I feel like a handle is a convenient thing to have, so I picked this up. This was one of the main things I wanted. It's the brow conditioning primer. I love this stuff. I needed some more of the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray for our trip. I have a travel size one already, so what I like to do is just buy the full size and then I just pour it into the travel one when I go places. I also picked up this brow pencil. It is by Maybelline. Nothing really special. I always experiment with different brow pencils because honestly I don't think it really matters. And then the last thing we got, which isn't for our trip, but this is, I don't even know how to say it, the La Roche-Posay. I don't know. It's their face wash that we like a lot. And for our trip, I got this. Ooh, it's banana. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Didn't see that in the store, but I don't feel like going back to return it. This is a lip balm. I've heard good reviews about it, and my lips are really chapped, so I'm sure you can see that in some of my videos. Then I got travel size stuff. So I got the Ultra Creamy Tarte Concealer in a travel size. I got the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in a travel size. And then the last thing I got was this, I don't even know how to say that. I feel like I've seen people talk about this and they say it wrong and then people make fun of them. So it's this one. So that's all I got from Ulta. Then I went to Bath and Body Works because one of my travel tips that I'm going to talk about in my video next week, I love traveling with their foaming soaps because they lock and unlock. As you can kind of see, like you turn it and it locks and unlocks, so it's easy to travel with. And I hate using those bar soaps that they give you in hotels, so I always just travel with one of these and then I can just close it, put it in a bag, and move it from hotel to hotel. I love this stuff, so I got one in Crisp Morning Air. I got one in Mahogany Teakwood just because we needed to stock up in general too. Then I got a Fresh as a Daisy one. I thought this would be cute for spring in the guest bathroom. And then my new favorite scent that I saw they had was White T-shirt. This stuff smells so good, so I got two. And then really quick, because the camera is about to die, I did go to Lululemon as a form of retail therapy after my other experience, which definitely did not need to do. And I ended up getting a cute fanny pack that I'm planning on bringing on our trip. And then I got this cute cropped t-shirt in my favorite color of all time. It's a lot of stuff. I think that's all it. Okay. Location change. We are officially in the bedroom. I'm trying to organize all the clothing I have purchased for a trip and trying to figure out how best to clean it. Basically, we're going to Star Wars. Well, not Star Wars. We're going to Disney and then spend a couple days there, and then we have plans to go on the Star Cruiser. So I've got a lot of cute outfits for us for that, and just kind of I've decided to just theme our whole trip Star Wars. So all our new clothing pieces just for wearing in the parks too is all Star Wars. We don't leave for a week, but I'm just a notorious early packer, so I've decided to go ahead and do all of this now, and then that way packing should be easier. I guess I'll go ahead and show you all too what we got just in general for the parks and stuff, because I think some of it's really cute while I'm trying to figure out how it needs to be cleaned. So I got this shirt. It's a Mandalorian shirt, which I thought was really cute, for my hubby. And I've bought him another shirt, this exact same company before, and it's the softest thing after you wash it 4 or 5 times. So I'm hopeful that this will be the same. Then I also got this shirt, which is just a classic one. I just like how he looks in blue, so got that. I ordered these from a small shop and they're just super cute. This one says Rebel. And then I got this one. It says Batu, which is where we're going, essentially. Done for the most part. I do have some things that are air drying, and then I still want to get ahead of laundry before we leave / get back. So I still have more laundry I need to do, but I'm gonna wait and probably do that tomorrow. But the laundry for the trip is all done and drying, so it's clean at least. That's what I'm trying to say. Laundry is clean. But I wanted to quickly show what I have been doing. I also went ahead and I made my little list of the trip. So I usually like to get one of these little knock pads now because it's just easier, and then I just put on how many travel days, which we just have 2, and then how many days we're gone. I don't know if you can even see that. There you go. And then how many nights, so then I know like pajamas and stuff. And then I like to put what we are doing that day, and then I like to put what the weather is projected to be like. I know it's not always what it's supposed to be, but at least this gives me the right mindset to know when I'm packing. So I did that. But exciting note, I got a package from Princess Polly. I really wanted to get a new pair of black shorts for the trip, so I got 2 different ones to try out. One of them was on sale for 11 bucks, so that's pretty good. Hopefully one of these fit, but yeah, I figured I'll try these on for y'all right now and we'll see what we think of them. Here are the first ones on. Super cute. I wanted to show them rolled up and not rolled up. I think I'll probably wear them rolled up, but they're really nice and stretchy, and they're not super tight, which is what I wanted. I hate when you're walking around in a hot environment and you're just sweating and your pants are just glued to your leg and it's just not flattering and it's uncomfortable. So these are great, stretchy, not tight. Here are the second pair on. I did the whole rolled up, not rolled up thing again, and yeah, I like them a lot. They're the paper bag pants, and they were only $11. I mean, can't really beat that. And they're super loose, not tight. I will say though, because I do own these in blue and I love them, but they do come unraveled quite a bit, so I think I might go ahead and throw a stitch on each side of the leg just to help them stay rolled up. They're super cute. I'm so happy. Both work. Now I have to figure out which ones I want to bring. For a little afternoon pick-me-up, I thought we would drink a little poppy and then make it like all cute in a cup so it feels fancy and dress it up all cute and whatnot. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I have not done this before, and let's be real, it's just drinking a poppy, but I'm just adding a sugar rim on a fancy glass with some lime, and then I'm going to put in some frozen berries too, just to elevate it a little bit more, make it cuter and more appealing for the eye. Now to try it. Oh wait, cheers. Thanks for making it with me. Very good. Very, very good. The last thing I think I want to do with y'all is help pre-packing and just getting ready for everything is to go ahead and pack my makeup. So I've just got this clear case. I think I got this from Amazon. I'll try and link it down below. But I'm going to fill this with all my makeup that I want to travel with.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside.
Alright, makeup is officially done. I will try to link all the products too if you want to check them out, also in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and I will catch y'all next week with my more formal packing video. Bye y'all!